Hello students, today we are going to begin with the new topic multiplication of fractions. Till now what we have studied? Addition of fractions, subtraction of fractions, then addition and subtraction of mixed numbers and how to show fractions on number line. This much we have studied. Now the next topic is multiplication of fractions. As you already know that the name of this lesson is operation on fractions, and there are 4 operations: addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. 2 we have studied and 2 we have to study. So now we will study multiplication of fractions. Now suppose here they have taken one example, 3 upon 5 multiplied by 1 upon 2, and this example first we will study with the help of a activity, okay, and then we will observe that activity and we will see if we can find out some rule from that activity. So first we will take the fraction 3 upon 5. For this we are going to use a rectangular strip. So this is a rectangular strip. Here the denominator is 5. Means first we have to divide the strip into 5 equal parts. Okay, how many equal parts? 5 equal parts. Whatever is the denominator, that many equal parts. Now the fraction is 3 upon 5. So we will shade that much part. Means out of 5 we will shade 3 parts. So here we have done the shading of the 3 parts. So now this rectangular strip, it represents the fraction 3 upon 5. This strip shows the fraction 3 upon 5. 5 में से 3 पार्ट हमने शेड कर लिए हैं. Now we have to show 1 upon 2 of 3 upon 5. So 1 upon 2 means what? 2 equal parts. So हम इस स्ट्रिप के 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स करेंगे बाय ड्रॉइंग अ हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन. तो यहाँ पे ऐसी हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन ड्रॉ करेंगे. सो ये देखो, ये नीचे वाला 1 पार्ट एंड द अबव पार्ट इज द सेकेंड पार्ट. सो वी हैव डिवाइडेड दिस स्ट्रिप इनटू 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स. व्हाई? बिकॉज अवर सेकेंड फ्रैक्शन इज 2. डिनोमिनेटर ऑफ द सेकेंड फ्रैक्शन इज 2. पहले डिनोमिनेटर 5 था, तो ये स्ट्रिप के हमने 5 पार्ट्स किए. सेकेंड फ्रैक्शन में डिनोमिनेटर 2 है, तो इसी स्ट्रिप में हम 2 पार्ट्स भी करेंगे. यहाँ पे हमने वर्टिकल लाइन यूज किया था फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन के लिए, तो सेकेंड फ्रैक्शन के लिए हम यूज करेंगे हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन. ओके, सो आफ्टर ड्रॉइंग हॉरिजॉन्टल लाइन द बॉक्स विल लुक लाइक दिस. ओके, द बॉक्स विल लुक लाइक दिस. Now, out of the 2, we have to show 1 part. Here, out of 5, we have shown 3 parts by shading. So, here, out of 2, 1 part we have to shade. तो ये जो नीचे वाला पार्ट है, इसको पूरा शेड करना पड़ेगा 2 में से 1 पार्ट. तो ये देखो, यहाँ पे शेडिंग किया, बट शेडिंग का डायरेक्शन अलग रखा. पहली शेडिंग ऐसे की है, दूसरी शेडिंग हमने ऐसे की है. नाउ आफ्टर शेडिंग व्हाट वी सी दैट वी हैव डिवाइडेड द स्ट्रिप इनटू 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स एंड वी ऑल्सो डिवाइडेड द 3 upon 5 पार्ट इनटू 2 इक्वल पार्ट्स. जब हमने इस स्ट्रिप के 2 पार्ट्स किए, मतलब ही हमने 3 upon 5 के 2 पार्ट्स किए. And out of that 1 part is shaded. So what we will consider to take one of those parts? Consider the parts shaded twice. तो यहाँ पे जो डबल शेडिंग हुआ है means like this also and like this also. So this is that part, this one and this one. These 3 parts are representing 1 upon 2 of 3 upon 5. क्योंकि 3 upon 5 के 2 पार्ट्स करने के बाद और उसमें से 1 लेने के बाद ये 3 हमको डबल शेडिंग में मिलते हैं. मीन्स दे आर अ पार्ट ऑफ this fraction also, and they are a part of this fraction also. Now observe properly. Total how many boxes are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we have 10 equal boxes. Of these, 3 boxes have been shaded twice. Out of these 10 boxes, these 3 boxes, they are shaded twice. Double they have been shaded. So these boxes means the twice shaded part can be written as the fraction 3 upon 10. So what we get? The 3 upon 5 into 1 upon 2 is 3 upon 10. Answer is 3 upon 10. But this 3 upon 10 we got by doing this activity. So always we will not do this big activity for finding the answer of multiplication. So by observing this, what you see? 3 into 1 is 3. 5 into 2 is 10. Means directly also we can get the multiplication answer. Okay, we can carry out the above multiplication like this. So 3 upon 5 into 1 upon 2 means 3 into 1 upon 5 into 2, and 3 ones are 3, 5 twos are 10. By doing activity also we got the answer 3 upon 10, and by doing this type also we got the answer 3 upon 10. So which one is easy? Obviously this one. So now I know when multiplying two fractions, जब भी हमें दो fractions multiply करने हैं, so actually what we will do? Product of numerators is written in numerator and that of denominators is written in the denominator. Numerators का product लेना है और उसको numerator में लिखना है. Denominators का product लेना है और उसको denominator में लिखना है. Understood? So it is very easy. In addition and subtraction, what we have seen, that if there is addition and subtraction of two fractions, suppose same example we will take, but here it is addition. For that what we have to do? We have to make the denominators equal by doing this method. 3 2s are 6, 5 1s are 5 upon 5 into 2. So answer is 11 upon 10. If we add this, means for addition denominator should be same, but in multiplication nothing like that we have to consider. Okay, denominator अलग भी रहे तो भी हमें directly multiply करना है. Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator, and that will be our answer. यहाँ हम ऐसे कर सकते हैं क्या? Numerator plus numerator, denominator plus denominator. No. There it is not possible in addition and subtraction. There we have to use this method of making the denominators equal. And here we have to do directly. Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. Understood? Now one word problem is given to us. Sulochana Bai owns 42 acres of farmland. Own means उनका खुद का farm है 42 acres का. If she planted wheat on 2 upon 7 of the land, okay, on this total land she planted wheat, and on how much land she planted? 2 upon 7 part of this land, okay. So we have to find on how many acres has she planted wheat. Okay, wheat, she has planted wheat means gehu. Okay, so she has planted wheat on some part of her farm. Okay, and that part is given in the form of fraction. And we have to find the answer in the form of acres. Okay, so whenever such a question is there, where we have to find a fraction of some number, 2 upon 7 of 42 acres. For example, we can take 1 upon 2 of 1 upon 2 of 8. Now 1 upon 2 means what? Half. And half of 8 is 4. Okay, this is one method. And one more method is 1 upon 2 of 8 means 1 upon 2 multiply by 8. Then 1 into 8 is 8. Just now we have seen numerator into numerator. So this is numerator and this is numerator, 8. And denominator into denominator. So here there is nothing. Means here we can take 1. So 8 ones are 8, 2 ones are 2. And 8 divided by 2 is 4. So when you cannot do orally like this, 2 upon 7 of 42, we cannot find orally. So at that time we have to do multiplication. किसी भी नंबर का फ्रैक्शन निकालना है मतलब हमें करना पड़ता है मल्टीप्लिकेशन. ओके, सो वी मस्ट फाइंड आउट 2 upon 7 of 42 एकड़ कितना होता है. 42 एकड़ का 2 upon 7 पार्ट मीन्स कितना एकड़. सो विच ऑपरेशन वी विल डू? मल्टीप्लिकेशन. 42 into 2 upon 7. But 42 can be written as 42 upon 1. Now 42 into 2, 1 into 7. Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. Now 42 can be written as 6 into 7. And 7 upon 7 get cancelled because 7 upon 7, it is 1. So what we will get? Here 1. And 6 2s are 12, 12 1s are 12 only. So if there is a same number in numerator and denominator, then its answer is 1. And after writing 1 also, there is no change in the answer, means here no need of 1. So we directly cancel the same number. And we directly write down here 12. Means 2 upon 7 of 42 is 12. So she planted wheat on 12 acres of land. Now we are going to begin with our practice set 12. And we will see how to solve the questions. What you have to remember in multiplication? Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. So what will come here? 7 into 1 upon 5 into 4. ऊपर के दो नंबर का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करके ऊपर लिखना है, नीचे के दो नंबर का मल्टीप्लिकेशन करके नीचे लिखना है. एंड रिमेंबर दैट दिस इज ट्रू ओनली फॉर मल्टीप्लिकेशन. एडिशन और सब्ट्रैक्शन में ऐसा नहीं कर सकते हैं. नाउ 7 1s are 7, 5 4s are 20. So the answer is 7 upon 20. Now here 6 into 2, 7 into 5. Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. 6 2s are 12, 7 5s are 35. So 12 upon 35. Here 5 4s are 5 into 4 upon 9 into 9. So 5 4s are 20, 9 9s are 81. So answer is 20 upon 81. Again, numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. 4 2s are 8 upon 11 7s are 77. Next, 1 into 7, 5 into 2. 1 into 7 is 7, 5 into 2 is 10. 7 upon 10. Now here 9 into 7, 7 into 8. Now just now we have seen that if there is same number in numerator and denominator, we can directly cancel it. Why we can cancel it? Because its answer is 1. So what is remaining now? 9 upon 8. Answer is 9 upon 8. यहाँ पे 1 बचेगा तो 9 into 1 फिर से 9 ही आने वाला है, तो वो 1 लिखने की ज़रूरत ही नहीं है. डायरेक्टली यू कैन राइट 9 upon 8. Now here 5 into 6 upon 6 into 5. Same number upon same number, cancel. 5 5 cancel. So here nothing is remaining, means 1 to hai na, 1 into 1 1. So answer is 1. Now here 6 into 3 upon 17 into 2. So if we divide these two, okay, so 6 upon 2 is 3, then this into 3 upon 17. So what we get? 9 upon 17. Understood? If there is multiplication and division together, this is upon means division, fraction means division also, and middle sign is multiplication. तो हम ये ऑर्डर चेंज कर सकते हैं, ये नंबर को इस नंबर के साथ डिवाइड कर सकते हैं. एंड 6 डिवाइडेड बाय 2 इज 3, और फिर ये इंटू 3 एज इट इज, 17 भी एज इट इज. नाउ द वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स वी हैव टू टेक. सो द फर्स्ट वर्ड प्रॉब्लम ऑफ प्रैक्टिस सेट 12. Ashok Rao planted bananas on 2/7 of his field of 21 acres. What is the area of the banana plantation? So just like the previous problem, total land he is having is 21 acres. In this total land he planted bananas on this much part. So fraction of a complete number means multiplication. So 2/7 into 21. Now this we can write as 2 into 21 upon 7. So division of these two numbers will give us 3. 21 divided by 7 is 3. So we will get here 2 into 3. This division is 3, and 2 into 3 is 6 acres. So Ashok Rao planted bananas on 6 acres of his field. He was having 21 acres of field and he planted bananas on 6 acres of the field. Now the last question. Of the total number of soldiers in our army, 4/9 are posted on the northern border and 1/3 of them on the northeastern border. If the number of soldiers in the north is 5,40,000, how many are posted in the northeast? Okay, so total number of soldiers in the north side, how many? 5,40,000. 5,40,000 soldiers north में posted है. Posted means what? They have given the work in that place, in the northern region. Out of that, 1/3 are posted in the northeast border, northeastern border. Okay, so 1/3 of this number means 1/3 multiplication. So number of soldiers posted in the northeast equal to 1/3 into total soldiers. 1 into this number will be this number only, and upon 3. Now if you do the division of these two numbers, you will observe that 3 18s are 54. So 18 and after that 4 zeros. Okay, so answer is 1,80,000 soldiers are posted in northeast. So understood, whenever you have to find a fraction of a complete number, किसी भी नंबर का फ्रैक्शन पार्ट अगर हमें ढूंढना है तो हमें करना पड़ता है मल्टीप्लिकेशन. ओके, वी हैव टू डू मल्टीप्लिकेशन. सो हियर वी कंप्लीट विद द टॉपिक multiplication of fractions. What you have to remember here? Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. Simple rule. Numerator into numerator and denominator into denominator. Now we are going to see one more topic based on the multiplication only. That is reciprocals or multiplicative inverse. Or means what? Either you say this name or you say this name. Both are one and the same thing. Now observe this multiplication. Just now we have studied this multiplication, 5 upon 6 into 6 upon 5. So what is the rule of multiplication? Numerator into numerator, denominator into denominator. 5 6 are 30, 6 5 are 30, and 30 divided by 30 is 1. Same number divided by same number. 30 ones are 30. Answer is 1. Here also 3 upon 2 into 2 upon 3. Numerator into numerator 6. Denominator into denominator also 6. Same number upon same number. Answer is 1. Now this one 71 upon 3 into 3 upon 71 means 71 into 3 भी वही आंसर आएगा. ओके एंड 3 into 71 भी वही आंसर आएगा. अगेन इट विल बी 1 ओनली. ओके नाउ ऑब्जर्व दिस एग्जाम्पल. 4 into 1 upon 4, but 4 can be written as 4 upon 1. 4 को हम लिख सकते हैं 4 upon 1. 4 upon 1. Both are equal, both are same. क्यों? क्योंकि 4 को 1 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 4 ही आंसर आने वाला है. तो अगर हमको ज़रूरत पड़ेगी तो हम किसी भी नंबर के नीचे 1 लिख सकते हैं. सो 4 कैन बी रिटन एज 4 upon 1 into 1 upon 4. 4 ones are 4, 1 4s are 4. Answer is 1. So after observing this 4 multiplication, what you see? Everywhere answer is 1. But how we got the answer 1? What you can see different thing in these multiplication. ये answer 1 कब मिलता है हमको? जब एक फ्रैक्शन होता है और उसके मल्टीप्लिकेशन में उसका ही उल्टा फ्रैक्शन होता है. See here 5 upon 6, इसका उल्टा 6 upon 5. Here there is 3 upon 2, इसका उल्टा 2 upon 3. Here it is 71 upon 3, here it is 3 upon 71. Here it is 4, but 4 means 4 upon 1 और 4 का उल्टा 1 upon 4. तो जब भी एक फ्रैक्शन होता है और उसको हम उसके ही रिवर्स फ्रैक्शन से मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तभी हमें आंसर मिलता है 1. तो ऐसे सिचुएशन में ये दो फ्रैक्शन को बोलते हैं रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ ईच अदर. एक फ्रैक्शन और उसका रिवर्स फ्रैक्शन उसको बोलते हैं रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ ईच अदर या फिर मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स ऑफ ईच अदर. मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स. रिवर्स इनवर्स मीन्स इसका न्यूमरेटर इसका डिनोमिनेटर बन जाएगा और इसका डिनोमिनेटर इसका न्यूमरेटर. सो मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स. मल्टीप्लिकेटिव क्यों? क्योंकि मल्टीप्लिकेशन के बाद ऐसे दो फ्रैक्शन के मल्टीप्लिकेशन के बाद आंसर मिलता है 1. दैट्स वाई दे आर कॉल्ड एज multiplicative inverse of each other or reciprocal of each other. You have to remember both the words, reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. Okay, so what is multiplicative inverse? When the product of two numbers is 1. Each number is the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of the other. अगर दो नंबर्स का मल्टीप्लिकेशन 1 आता है तो ऐसे दो नंबर्स को बोलते हैं मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स और रेसिप्रोकल ऑफ ईच अदर. और फ्रैक्शन है तो बहुत इजीली हम उसका इनवर्स ढूंढ सकते हैं. ऊपर का नंबर नीचे, नीचे का नंबर ऊपर. बट अगर सिंगल नंबर है, सपोज 3 है, तो 3 का मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इनवर्स क्या होगा? 1 upon 3. नाउ सम स्टूडेंट्स डू अ मिस्टेक. दे राइट 3 equal to 1 upon 3. तो ये दोनों इक्वल नहीं हो सकते हैं. ये एक नंबर है और ये उसका उल्टा नंबर है. तो एक नंबर और उसका उल्टा नंबर इक्वल कैसे होंगे? तो ये इक्वल साइन नहीं देना है. यू कैन गिव अ एरो. 3 multiplicative inverse 1/3. This is wrong. तो किसी भी नंबर का मल्टीप्लिकेटिव इन्वर्स अगर हमको निकालना है मतलब उसका उल्टा करना है. नाउ what is the reciprocal of 1? Reciprocal of 1 will be 1 only. And would 0 have a reciprocal? No, 0 will not have a reciprocal because any number upon 0 is not defined. So the multiplicative inverse or reciprocal of 5/6 is 6/5. 4 multiplicative inverse is 1/4. So like this we have to find the reciprocal or multiplicative inverse. Understood? In the next topic we will start division of fractions. Thank you.